Sound like a bloody firework going off that one.
I'm back, bitch.
You know, I heard a rumour. Oh, Jesus. So, hey, listen, you can't do that, mate. Oh, fuck.
Oh, sorry about it.
Oh, Jesus Christ. I came for an interview, mate, not a sparring session.
I'll show you what we do with her now, Monty. I'll show you what we do with this one.
Mate, you've literally broken her.
Oh, I've killed her.
Oh, hello?
She's dead.
Is she actually dead? She doesn't sound dead, mate. Oh, there we go. Involuntary
She's
muscle
back now.
spasms. What the fuck is wrong with her? Oh, she's back. Look at
Ooh, perfect.
that. Sorry, I shouldn't do that, sir. So, Ross, I was just wondering if I could just stand here and have a chat with you, mate, while
Yeah,
you're...
of course you can.
You know, so if I was to apply for the job, do you think the chance of getting it would be quite good, sir?
I would say so, yes, Monty.
Yeah,
would say so,
I would
yes.
love to join the team, you know, just, you know, if applicable, of course, sir. You know?
Yeah, I'm up for this.
Oh my god!
Oh my god. I'm just waiting for Brian to go upstairs now.
I think I'm done, mate. Oh, not yet. Keep talking.
Brian, go upstairs, quick. Oh, you ruined it now.
Oh, jeez, now I just
Oh,
look
it don't matter,
weird.
she's ruined it.
Right. Now I just look weird, thank you. Oh, good lord.
Oh, fuck you, Ross.
You guys get composers.
That's fucking incredible.
I thought I smashed my fucking face into the window.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I can't breathe. Oh, fuck me. Oh,
I think we
Oh,
did,
I
didn't we?
think I just have.
I think that's how we got into this trouble, you know what I mean?
That is how we got into
Oh,
this
I guess
one.
I deserve that.
Oh, Monty.
I would never hit a woman. But that
Oh,
one's
it's a good job
debatable.
she's not a woman then.
Whoa!
She throws a punch like a man. Look at her.
Have you seen Charlie, mate? She knocked me the fuck out this morning.
Wait, and then you punch me again.
Has she got a volume that only Ashley's allowed to reach?
Yeah.
So don't ask me, I have no... I think it's some kind of 4-play, do you know what I mean? Maybe it's a 5-play, they're getting
She's
carried
still
away.
alive.
Fuck knows.
There we go.
Oh, Jesus, she can take a beating, can't she?
She can take a beating.